In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following the channel. Today's video is going to be on Uniswap gems. Top 5 Uniswap gems, 1,000 gains incoming. Uniswap, if you guys want to make big profits and big gains, we know that Uniswap is where you have to go now to find these coins before anyone else is on them. So I went ahead and got the top 5 Uniswap gems that I could find, and I wanted to bring them to you guys in this video. These are the top 5 Uniswap gems that I found, and I wanted to bring them to you guys in this video. So sit back, relax. Remember, you can go to Knockout Crypto to get the next big crypto report. Also, you can get trading alerts and trading signals at knockoutcrypto.com. Guys, thank you for checking us out. Go there to join. Really appreciate your support. Let's get into the video. Top 5 Uniswap gems, 1,000x gains incoming. Real quickly, we have to do some legal stuff. Disclaimer and general information. This is the education information channel. I am not a registered investment advisor, and I do not provide investment advice. Any investments are highly speculative, and any losses are your responsibility. Do your own research before making any decisions. Top 5 Uniswap gems, 1,000x gains incoming. Many crypto investors are looking for 1,000x returns in the crypto market, just like the end of 2017. Crazy returns. The bull run can happen again in the future. These coins are very risky. These coins should not be more than a major portion of your portfolio. These coins should be less than 10% of your portfolio. Just giving you guys that warning before we get into the video. So the number 5 coin, we have 5 coins on our list for the top Uniswap gems. We have 5 coins on the list for the top Uniswap gems. And the number 5 coin is Shroom Finance. Shroom Finance current price is 15 cents. Shroom is a DeFi protocol and DAO focused on in-game asset minting, launch, and trading. The protocol is 100% driven on and governed by a community without central parties or middlemen. Virtual items, fungible and non-fungible tokens, NFTs are undeniably becoming the next big trend in crypto, but have been used in gaming for many years. We are only starting to scratch the surface of what will soon become a booming industry with enormous opportunities unlocked by recent innovations in the DeFi space. This is the homepage for Shroom. I wanted to bring that to you guys. So shroom.finance.com. So as you can see here, this is the Shroom page. Looks like almost like a Mario Brothers page, but we want to go over like what is Shroom and how does it work. You can connect the wallet here, power up that yield farming. Let's go to the price first. So Shroom is currently, you go to CoinMarketCap. Shroom is currently 15 cents, up 18% on the day. Ranked 2372 on CoinMarketCap. Volume is 1.1 million. Total max supply is 40 million Shroom. Market pairs, as you can see, it has went up tremendously. It was about a penny about a month ago, and now we're at 15 cents. And it looks like it hit 24 cents at one point. So all-time high was 24 cents. All-time low, 0.4 of a penny. So it really did well in the past month or so. It has a lot of hype behind it. A lot of people are following Shroom. They seem to think it's going to do well. The market pairings, like you can see here, it's only on Uniswap, and that's why I said it's a Uniswap gem. So definitely want to keep our eye on Shroom. Like I said, all-time high was 24 cents. All-time low, 0.4 of a penny. Max supply 40 million, and currently the price is 15 cents. So Shroom does have a lot of potential. Now, NFTs have a lot of potential, and Shroom is a DeFi protocol for in-game assets, and that's just big because what's happening is, I want to bring this to you guys. In-game assets are a big deal, poised for explosive growth in the coming years. The gaming industry is expected to surpass $200 billion in 2023, with the video game assets trading well over $50 billion a year. The industry is very healthy and has excellent perspectives. Ethereum token stands for the perfect pairing to make these kinds of assets valuable, unique, tradable, and easily transferable beyond walled gardens into the NFT metaverse. All of this while tapping into the growing global crypto capital market and liquidity. However, adopting these standards is challenging for conventional video game creators, particularly the small and medium sized, since taking care of the blockchain side of development is oftentimes cumbersome and expensive. Our mission is to enable the issuance and minting, launching, and trading of these assets with unprecedented ease, breaking the barriers of entry for thousands of game developers and gamers who are helping bridge the gaming and blockchain worlds for a truly open ecosystem. Game developers tapping into DeFi liquidity, capital, and yield farming, minting processes, and DeFi LP and farmers supporting, driving, and owning in-game economies. Yield farming is a remarkable innovation that can be captured and fitted inside a sustainable, positive feedback loop where the farmers get vast value after the initial stages. With Shroom, farming acquires a whole new meaning, acting as a booster for talented video game creators. So, you get an idea of how Shroom works. They had a now I think Josh Roger, who's a popular Twitter person, just tweeted about Shroom recently. See stage 4, quarter 1, 2021, game DAO, game swap decks fully developed. They have a G-Swap token coming out. Now let me just bring up real quick what he said. I want to bring that up because it was actually some good news. Some good news about Shroom. Let's see if I can find this page. Yeah. So building momentum as the G-Swap farming starts in roughly 10 days. Farmers must hold Shroom, and word is that the team will be releasing a detailed update and announcement on GameSwap in the next 24 to 36 hours. We'd like to see 19 cents break plus and become the new floor. So that was earlier today about Shroom. All right. Yeah, I did read about that. So our number 4 coin is Rarible. Rarible's current price is $4.18. Rarible is a creator-centric NFT marketplace and issuance platform. RARI is a governance token with marketplace liquidity mining program and the airdrop for large NFT holders. Rarible's current price is $4.18. RARI is the native governance token of the NFT marketplace. Rarible designed to reward active platform users with a voice on the platform's future. As we are growing in numbers and expanding our presence on the market, we decided to take a shift towards becoming a fully decentralized autonomous organization. RARI has been created to give Rarible community the power to influence decisions and incentivize active participation. I want to go over this token. So Rarible is currently $4.18 on CoinMarketCap. It's ranked 766. Market cap is $3.5 million. The volume is 940,000. The circulating supply is 855,000. The total supply is 25 million. The market pairs are MXC, Uniswap, Hotbit, charts. So Rarible is a creator-centric NFT marketplace and issuance platform. I want to go over really quick. Now, this one has more pairings. Although most of the volume is on Uniswap, it has pairings on other places as well too, such as Hotbit, Balancer, and OX Protocol. So Rarible, what is Rarible and what are they doing? So Rarible is basically the same thing as the NFT marketplace for NFTs. So you can, it's really one of those things where it's seeking to become one of those first NFT marketplaces, right? So that's what it is. I definitely want you guys to take a look at Rarible. I think this one has the potential as well because of the team behind it, and what Rarible is doing is just really impressive. So what they're doing is really impressive. I'm gonna let you guys watch this video and understand what they're doing here. And it's just really impressive what Rarible is doing, how the project works, how it works all together. But just like I said, it's a marketplace for NFTs. You choose your asset, fill out the description, and as you can see here how the marketplace works. You create your collectible. You can even create your own collectible, upload the image, create your own collectible, and you know, and put it on the blockchain or put it in the marketplace to be bought by other people. So that's really something that is unique. Well, not unique, but it's just they make it really easy to do that. You confirm and you sign it, and your NFT is deployed, and now it's there. So pretty easy, as you see in this video. It's going through it really quick, and there is your NFT. So anyone can buy it from the Rarible marketplace. Done. So definitely check out this project. It's pretty impressive for Rarible, right? That's our number 4 coin. If you want to see our top 5 coins, so the number 5 coin was Shroom, the number 4 coin was Rarible. If you want to see the top 3 coins, the top 3 Uniswap gems, join knockoutcrypto.com for $10 a month. Thank you for your support. If you want to see the top 3 Uniswap gems, join knockoutcrypto.com for $10 a month. Thank you for your support. Also, to see the rest of the list, join knockoutcrypto.com for $10 a month. Thank you for your support. You can also get trading alerts and the next big crypto report by joining knockoutcrypto.com. Guys, thank you for your support. Number 5 was Shroom Finance. Number 4 was Rarible. The top 3 coins are all gems. Definitely something that you guys want to check out. Thank you guys for following Knockout Crypto.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.